Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or have you struggled to find a name that you knew perfectly well just yesterday? Maybe you feel like your mind is just a bit foggy, as if you're trying to think through a thick, heavy mist. If any of that sounds familiar, you are absolutely not alone. These moments, which we often blame on just being tired or getting older, are the first little alarm bells our brain is ringing. It's asking for help. It's asking for the right fuel to do its job. You see, our brain, while it's small, is the most energy-hungry organ in our entire body. It consumes over 20% of our total energy. I want you to think of it like a high-performance race car. It's capable of incredible things, but it can't perform at its peak if we're filling it with low-quality fuel or running on empty. So in today's video, we're going to do exactly that. We are going to build step by step the ultimate, complete meal specifically designed to fuel your brain, boost your memory, and clear away that frustrating fog. And the best part? This isn't a complicated, tasteless health meal. It's a delicious, satisfying breakfast you can start making tomorrow morning and feel the difference in your mental clarity. Before we build our perfect brain-boosting meal, we first need to understand the three biggest enemies of our brain: inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor blood circulation. Think of chronic inflammation as a small silent fire that is constantly smoldering and damaging your precious brain cells. Think of oxidative stress as the rust that builds up in your brain over time from aging and the environmental toxins, making everything run a little bit slower. And think of poor blood circulation as a massive traffic jam on the highways to your brain, preventing vital oxygen and nutrients from getting where they need to go. The incredible meal we are about to create is a triple shield of protection. Every single ingredient has been strategically chosen to fight these three enemies head-on. Let's start with the foundation, the king of brain food, eggs. The true power of the egg is in its golden yolk. The yolk is one of the richest natural sources of a nutrient called choline. Choline is the essential raw material your brain uses to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is absolutely critical for memory and learning. Without enough choline, it's like trying to have a conversation over a bad internet connection. The messages just don't get through clearly. Please don't fear the cholesterol in eggs. Modern science has shown that for most of us, it doesn't negatively affect our blood cholesterol and provides these priceless benefits to our brain. Next, our green ally, leafy greens. Inside our omelet, or right alongside it, we're going to add a big handful of spinach or kale. These dark leafy greens are the bodyguards for your brain. They are packed with powerful antioxidants like lutein and vitamin K, which fight that rust of oxidative stress I mentioned earlier. They protect your brain cells from damage and premature aging. In fact, studies have consistently linked the regular consumption of leafy greens to a much slower rate of cognitive decline. Now, for the creamy power, avocado. Next to our eggs and spinach, we will add a few beautiful slices of avocado. Avocado is a creamy, delicious source of healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats do something amazing. They promote healthy blood flow throughout the entire body, including the brain. They are the traffic clearing crew for your neural highways, ensuring your brain gets a steady, powerful stream of oxygen and nutrients to operate at its absolute peak. So, we have the foundation of our smart meal. Now, it's time for the magic touches. These are the ingredients that will elevate this from a simple, healthy breakfast into the ultimate fuel for your brain. The first is the golden touch, extra virgin olive oil. We are going to generously drizzle this over our eggs and greens. Olive oil is not just a healthy fat, it is a true medicine for your brain. It contains incredibly powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, like oleocanthal. These compounds have a strong anti-inflammatory effect, acting like a targeted fire extinguisher for those little fires of neuroinflammation that cause brain fog. And the crunchy surprise, walnuts. On the side of our plate, a small handful of walnuts. If you had to choose only one nut for brain health, it would be the walnut. It's no coincidence that they even look like a tiny brain. Walnuts are one of the very few plant foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are vital for the structure and function of your brain cells. They are the oil that keeps the engine of your brain running smoothly and efficiently. And what will we drink with this powerful meal? The ideal beverage, green tea. Please not coffee loaded with sugar and milk. The ultimate choice is a warm cup of green tea. Green tea contains two amazing compounds that work in perfect synergy, caffeine and L-theanine. The caffeine gives you the alertness you need, while the L-theanine promotes a feeling of calm and relaxation without making you sleepy. The combination is magical. It creates a state of calm alertness, which is the perfect state for deep focus and clear thinking without the jitters that coffee can sometimes cause. As a bonus, it's packed with antioxidants that further protect your brain. So, let's assemble our final masterpiece. On our plate we have 2 eggs, ideally poached or boiled, a large handful of spinach, half an avocado sliced, a small handful of walnuts, all drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, and on the side, a warm cup of green tea. Now, before we talk about the power of this plate, I want to share one crucial thought. The real magic of this meal isn't just in the ingredients themselves. It's in the intention behind it. It's about starting your day with a conscious act of self-care. Please don't feel pressured to make this perfectly every single morning. That's not the goal. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Maybe you start by making this your special weekend breakfast. The key is to transform the act of eating from a rushed chore into a mindful ritual. Take your time. Savor each bite. Notice how your body feels. By doing this, you are not just feeding your body. You are sending a powerful signal to your nervous system that you are safe, you are nourished, and you are starting the day from a place of calm control. This is not just a breakfast. This is a statement. It is a message you are sending to your brain saying, I am caring for you. I am giving you the best possible fuel to perform at your best. Every single bite is working for you. The choline for memory, the antioxidants for protection, the good fats for circulation, the omega-3s for cell health, and the L-theanine for calm focus. When you start your day this way, you are not just feeding your stomach, you are powering your mind. And a well-fed brain is a brain that is clear, fast, and resilient. Now, if you're looking for more simple habits to clear the fog, you can get my free guide, 8 objects in your home that are causing you headaches and brain fog. It walks you through the simple steps to create a calmer home environment to support your mind. And if you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend watching my pillar video on the surprising kitchen spice that ended my brain fog. I'll link it for you on the screen and in the description. Thank you for being here and taking this step for your brain health. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.